Hi! In this video, I'll show you how you can use NordVPN for free. NordVPN is a paid service, but thanks to its 30-day money-back guarantee, you can use it completely risk-free for a full month. And yes, this is totally legitimate. The method is actually very straightforward. You simply sign up for NordVPN, use the service normally, and if you decide it's not for you, you can request a full refund within 30 days. That means you can test all the features, use it on up to 10 devices at the same time, and essentially pay nothing in the end if you cancel in time. Of course, you will need to enter a payment method when creating your account. You'll be charged initially, but as long as you contact support within the first 30 days, NordVPN will refund you in full. So the process is simple: create your account, download the app, install it on your devices, and start using the VPN. Then, if you decide not to continue, just ask for a refund before the trial period ends. To cancel, all you have to do is contact NordVPN's customer support team and request your refund. The process is quick and easy, and if you end up liking the service, you can simply keep your subscription active and continue using it. The whole idea behind the guarantee is to let you test NordVPN with zero risk and see whether it meets your needs. By the way, if you want the best deal available right now, you can use my link vpn-club.com/nord. Use the code VCLUB to get several extra months for free. Now let me show you how the app works. Here is the interface. To connect instantly, you can just click the Secure My Connection button, or you can manually choose a country from this list. Let's test it. Right now, my IP address ends with .0 and my location shows France. I'm going to select the UK and connect. Done. Now NordVPN has assigned me a new IP address located in the UK. If I refresh this page, you can see that my location now appears as the United Kingdom, even though I'm still physically in France. So my real IP address is hidden, and websites only see the VPN server location. I'm showing you on Windows, but the process is basically identical on macOS, Android, iPhone, and even smart TVs. That's it for this video. Hopefully, you now understand how to use NordVPN risk-free for 30 days. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to help. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.